Tropical rainforest specification located near the equator, high temperature, high humidity and abundant rainfall. Rainfall typically receives 80 to 400 inches of rain annually. Temperature consistently warm throughout the year with minimum variation. Location found in Central and South America, Africa, Southeast Asia and Oceania. Nicknames are lungs of earth, green paradise. Flora and fauna are rich biodiversity like jaguars, monkeys and diverse plant species such as orchids and giant trees. Renowned names are Amazon rainforest and Congo rainforest.